Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a daily and weekly work plan in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to organize your tasks, having a structured planner can significantly boost your productivity and keep you on track every day. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process so you can start planning like a pro. First, open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp by typing in clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button in the top right corner. If you prefer a faster login, you can click Sign in with Google. This option is convenient, secure, and helps you avoid remembering an extra password. Simply select the Google account linked to your ClickUp workspace, and you'll be logged in seamlessly. Next, take a look at your dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of lists corresponding to your projects and tasks. Lists are versatile and allow you to organize your work in different ways. Find the list where you want to create your planner and click on the three-dot menu next to it. From the drop-down, select Templates. This is where ClickUp stores all its pre-made templates designed to save you time and effort. Once the Templates menu opens, in the search bar, to fill planner templates. You'll see several templates tailored to daily and weekly planning. Hover over the one you like and click Quick Use. This adds the template directly to your workspace, allowing you to start working immediately without any extra setup. Now that your planner template is in place, navigate to the newly added section. Here, you can fully customize it to fit your daily and weekly tasks. Add new tasks, adjust timeframes, assign priorities, and include any details that help you stay productive and organized. You can also break larger tasks into smaller action items, making your planner a powerful tool for staying on top of your work. To make the process smoother, a quick tip is to have a clear list of your tasks ready before adding them to the planner and to prioritize tasks by urgency. Doing this beforehand can save time and help you maintain focus throughout the week. Once everything is set up, your daily and weekly work plan will be ready to use, and you'll be able to track your progress efficiently. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a comprehensive daily and weekly work plan in ClickUp, keeping your tasks organized and your productivity on point. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who want to stay organized. Why not make someone's day easier?